How to simplify the following expression? In order to simplify it, you need to analyze the general term of the sequence. So the general term is 1 over square root of n plus square root of n plus 1, a number and the next number. So what we are going to do is look at this formula, the general form. And since we have some square roots in the denominator, we are going to multiply. So this is our general type here. If you multiply it by its conjugate, so conjugate means you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by square root of n minus square root of n plus 1. So what happens is the following. So when you multiply the denominators, this one and this one, that's like square root of a. This is the formula. So here the formula brings you to n minus n plus 1, the difference, and then in the numerator we have the following expression. So let's keep simplifying. Here we have negative 1, so this is minus 1. So when you divide a fraction by minus 1, you can switch the orders. So n plus 1 minus square root of n. So as you can see, this expression altogether is equal to this one. So these two are equal to each other. So in these expressions, fractions, I can replace them using this formula now. So instead of this one, first I'm going to write square root of 2 minus square root of 1. And then the next one, here, instead of this, I write square root of 3 minus square root of 2. And square root of 4 minus square root of 3. And so on, up to square root of 220 minus 2019. So what we can see here is the numbers are repeating with plus sign and minus sign. They'll just get cancelled, so they make 0. So square root of 2 minus square root of 2 makes 0. Square root of 3 minus square root of 3, it makes 0. Square root of 4, and somewhere over there, here, square root of minus square root of 4. So in the end, we are left with the last one, square root of 2020, because it appears only once, and square root of 1 minus 1, it also appears only once. So the